Do you want to get started in the e-commerce world with a bang? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an epic brand and web presence that will make your business stand out of the crowd. Hi there, my name is Richards and I've created dozens of websites before. I know how difficult it can be to get started. You have some ideas, but you don't know exactly what you want to create. It's easy to get lost in details while trying to create the perfect website and lose the initial enthusiasm. That's why I'm here today. I'm going to show you a 5-step workflow I use to create eye-catching website every time, so let's get started. The first and most crucial step is to know your customer and market niche. By narrowing down your target audience, you increase the likelihood that your offer will resonate with them. Start by creating buyer persona, which includes details such as age, worldviews, and the social platforms they use. But it's not just about demographics. Dive deeper into their struggles and methods your customers currently use to overcome those specific struggles. This understanding will help you define the new solution you're offering. From there, craft your brand purpose around helping your target audience solve their problems. Your brand purpose can be something bigger than your customer or your brand. For example, Tom's Shoes donated a pair of shoes for every purchase on their website. This is often taken granted in the first world countries. Their purpose was to ensure that everyone has at least one pair of shoes, addressing a need often taken for granted in the first world countries. This purpose gave them a lot of social buzz and free PR. Your brand purpose can be something more down to earth. In the supplement market, for example, your brand purpose could be something like helping your customers feel great and keep pushing themselves. These fundamentals, buyer persona, brand purpose, and problem solution definition will lay the foundation for your brand and decide its look, feel, content, and social media strategies. Now that you have a clear direction, it's time to create a mood board. Use Pinterest to create a collection of images that resonate with your brand purpose and the feeling you want to convey. Don't overthink it. Be spontaneous, but also keep in mind your buyer persona while doing this step. Once you've gathered images on your Pinterest board, you'll have a better understanding of what you want to create. Now it's time to extract your brand colors from this mood board. Choose an image you find the most representative and use the Canva color generator. It will generate a color palette for you. Copy the color codes and add them to your brand book. And don't forget to add manually your background color. Typically, it should be white or bright color. Now that you have a color palette, it's time to pick one or two typefaces for your brand. Select a bold typeface that aligns with your brand for headings, and choose an easy-to-read typeface for the body text. You can explore different typeface combinations using the resources linked below. Once you've chosen your typefaces, don't forget to add them to your brand book. If you're using the Shopify subs theme, we've created a website mockup template to make the next step easier. Take advantage of this template to apply colors, typefaces, and most importantly, drag and drop images. Even if you don't use Shopify's subs theme, you can customize this template to match your store's layout. Once we have the basic layout, colors, and typeface, it's time for images. Images play a significant role in your website's overall look. And this template allows you for a quick testing. You can find high-quality images on websites such as Unsplash, or you can try generating something with an AI tool of your choice. As a final touch, add product images, and there you have it. Remember, the fundamentals of knowing your customer, defining your brand purpose, creating a mood board, selecting colors and typeface and applying them to your website will set the stage for a strong and cohesive brand. I've linked free step-by-step instructions in the description. Feel free to use that. By following these steps, you can efficiently create a new concept and consistent branding. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy designing and see you soon.